today's video, I'm going to teach you the ins and outs of managing autoplay settings on Pinterest. Let's get started right away. First, we're going to take a trip over to Pinterest. If you haven't logged into your account yet, now is the perfect time. So grab your computer or phone, head to your web browser, and type in pinterest.com. Once the site loads up, you'll want to go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, your gateway to endless ideas and inspiration. But today we're diving into your own personal space, your profile. Head over to your profile by clicking on your profile picture, usually located at the top right corner of the page. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu should appear, and from there, find and click on View Profile. This will bring you to your profile page, where you can see all of your pins, boards, and other saved content. Now that we're on your profile page, look for the option labeled Edit Profile and give it a click. This will open up a new window or section where you can modify various details about your account and profile. In this section, you'll see several tabs and options lined out for you. The one we're interested in is Social Permissions. Navigate toward that option and click on it. Here, you'll find a variety of settings that allow you to control and personalize how you interact with the Pinterest platform. What we want to focus on today is managing how videos play on your Pinterest feed. Scroll down until you find the setting labeled Video Pin Download. Right next to it, you should see an option titled Autoplay Videos. You'll notice there is a toggle switch beside this option. By default, this might be switched on, which means videos will start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. If you prefer to save on data, avoid distractions, or just have more control over what you watch, you might want to turn off that autoplay setting. Simply click on the toggle switch to turn off autoplay. This will ensure that videos only play when you decide to click on them, allowing for a smoother and more personalized browsing experience. And there you go, you've successfully managed your autoplay settings. This little adjustment can make a big difference in your Pinterest experience, offering you a more tailored approach to how you interact with video content. Feel free to explore other settings while you're here, but for our purposes, that wraps it up. Thanks for following along with this quick guide. Enjoy your new and improved browsing experience on Pinterest.